Hello dear students, welcome to GAGANDEV SIMHADRI IIT NEET chemistry classes. Let us go to one question from organic chemistry. So that is, when benzene on reacts with chlorine in presence of AlCl3 and forms compound X. Okay, this compound X again on reacts with chloral in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid and forms compound Y. Then the degree of unsaturation of the compound Y is. Okay, they given four options here. First option 8, second option 4, third option 10, fourth option 2. Okay, so let us go to solution. So here what is given here? Benzene on reaction with chlorine in presence of AlCl3 and forms compound X. What is this reaction? Halogenation reaction of benzene. Okay, so benzene on reaction with chlorine in presence of Lewis acids AlCl3 or FeCl3. Okay, and forms what is the product formed here? So here the electrophile is chloronium ion. Chloronium ion attacks the benzene ring and forms chlorobenzene is the product. What is the product here? Chlorobenzene is the product. Okay, chlorobenzene is formed here. Here X is called chlorobenzene. Here X is called chlorobenzene. Okay, this chlorobenzene again on reaction with chloral. Okay, what is chloral here? Chloral means trichloroacetaldehyde. Chloral means it is nothing but trichloroacetaldehyde. Okay, so that is CCl3 CHO. This is called chloral. Trichloroacetaldehyde. Trichloroacetaldehyde is called chloral. CCl3 CHO. So this is called chloral. Trichloroacetaldehyde. Okay, trichloroacetaldehyde is called chloral. Trichloroacetaldehyde is called chloral. So that is chlorobenzene on reaction with chloral. Then what is the product formed here? So that is 2 moles of chlorobenzene. This is hydrogen, that is chlorobenzene. 1 mole of chlorobenzene. Another mole of chlorobenzene. Okay, so that is chlorobenzene on reaction with chloral. Okay, here water molecule is eliminated. 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom eliminated as water. This reaction is in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. In presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. Then what is the product formed here? So that is DDT is formed. What is the product formed here? DDT. CCl3 CH. So this is the product. This is the product formed here. So this is called what? So this is called DDT. What is this? DDT. This compound Y. This is called compound Y. So what is DDT? Dichloro, diphenyl, trichloroethane. What is DDT? Dichloro, diphenyl, trichloroethane. So let us write a complete name. Dichloro, diphenyl, trichloroethane. It is a powerful insecticide. So it is a powerful insecticide. So now what is the degree of unsaturation of the compound Y? Okay, how to calculate degree of unsaturation? So we have to calculate degree of unsaturation, du. So du is equal to what? So how to calculate degree of unsaturation? That is number of pi bonds plus number of rings. Okay, degree of unsaturation. Degree of unsaturation means double bond equivalent. Okay, index of hydrogen deficiency. So how to calculate number of pi bonds? number of pi bonds, plus number of rings, Okay, so how many pi bonds are there? That is, this is one penile ring, this is another penile ring. That is, benzene contains 3 pi bonds. Okay, so benzene 1, 2, 3. So how many pi bonds are there in a benzene? Benzene contains 3 pi bonds. Therefore, 2 penile rings contains 3 into 2, 6 pi bonds. How many pi bonds are there in DDT? 6 pi bonds are there. And the number of rings, 1, 2 rings are there. Therefore, what is the degree of unsaturation of DDT? 8. 8 is the answer. So what is the answer? 8 is the answer. Okay, so in this way we can calculate degree of unsaturation. Okay, so if molecular formula is given, then how to calculate degree of unsaturation? So for example, you can take DDT. So if molecular formula is given, okay, what is the molecular formula of DDT? DDT. Okay, molecular formula is C14H9Cl5. This is the molecular formula of DDT. Okay, so how to calculate the degree of unsaturation? Du is equal to C plus 1 minus H plus X minus N by 2. This is the formula. Okay, so this is the formula to calculate degree of unsaturation. Okay, where C is called number of carbon atoms, okay, H is called number of hydrogen atoms, okay, X is called number of halogen atoms, and N is called what? Number of nitrogen atoms. Okay, so if any oxygen atoms and sulfur atoms are present, we have to ignore them. Okay, so therefore what is the answer? 8 is the